Students, in this video I am going to discuss question number 2, 4 and 5. In all these three questions we are asked to compare the fractions and asked to put an appropriate sign in between them. So look at this fraction first. Which kind of fractions they are? They are like fractions because they are having same denominators. To compare the like fractions, we always compare the numerators. Smaller the numerator, smaller the fraction. Or we can say that greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Now in this pair, the numerators are 3 and 5. 3 is smaller than 5, right? Hence the fraction 3 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Here the numerators are 4 and 5. Since 4 is less than 5, we can say that fraction 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 5. Now coming to this side. Which kind of fractions they are? They are unlike fractions because they are having different denominators. But their numerators are same, right? To compare the unlike fraction with same numerator, we always compare the denominators. Smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Now in these two fractions, denominator 4 is smaller than 7, right? Since 4 is less than 7, fraction 1 by 4 will be greater than 1 by 7 or 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Now in this fraction, 5 is less than 7. Hence the fraction having denominator 5 will be greater than the other fraction. Means 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Now coming to the question number 4. Here again we are asked to compare the fractions. Now look at this fraction first. Which kind of fractions they are? Yes, they are unlike fractions because they are having different denominators. But their numerators are same, right? So since the numerators are same, we compare the denominators. Smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Now in these two fractions, denominator 3 is smaller than 6. Hence fraction 1 by 3 will be greater than 1 by 6. Here 3 is smaller than 4. Hence 2 by 3 will be greater than 2 by 4. And in these two fractions, denominator 5 is smaller than 6. Hence fraction 5 by 5 will be greater than 5 by 6. Now look at these fractions. They are unlike fractions again but having different numerators. So when numerators are different, we cross multiply to compare. So here if we multiply 3 and 6, what will get? 18. And if we multiply 2 and 4, what will get? 8. Now 18 is bigger than 8, right? Hence fraction 3 by 4 will be greater than 2 by 6. Now coming to this one. Here you can cross multiply or you can solve it as well. See, 6 by 6 means 1 and 3 by 3 is also 1. Both are having same value, means these two fractions are equal, right? Now coming to the question number 5. Here again we are asked to compare these fractions quickly. So how will you do it? First you observe all these fractions. Here all these fractions are unlike fractions, having same numerators, and somewhere you have given different numerators as well. Now look at this one. This is unlike fraction having same numerator. If numerators are same, you can compare the denominators. Smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Denominator 2 is smaller than 5. Hence fraction 1 by 2 will be greater than 1 by 5. Rest all these fractions are unlike fractions having different numerators. So when numerator and denominator both are different, we used to cross multiply. You can see the second one. If we multiply 2 and 6, we will get 12. And if we multiply 3 and 4, we again get 12. Means both the fractions are having same value. It means they are equal. So we can put equal to. Coming to the C. They are again unlike fractions having different numerators and denominators. So we cross multiply. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 5, 10. Now 10 is greater than 9. It means 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. Right? Now take one more. Look at this one. The fractions are 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. Again they are unlike fractions with different numerators. Right? Here numerator and denominator both are different. So we cross multiply to compare. 3 into 8, 24. And 2 into 4, 8. Now in 24 and 8, which one is bigger? 24, right? Your left hand side is bigger than your right hand side. Hence 3 by 4 will be greater than 2 by 8. So likewise you can compare the remaining pairs of fractions.